In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a custom table style in PowerPoint, a quick and easy task that you can master in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a presentation for school or preparing materials for a business proposal, creating custom table styles can significantly enhance your presentation's overall aesthetic. First, to get started, you will want to head over to Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to PowerPoint's online platform. Once there, make sure to sign in using your Microsoft account. This step is essential because it enables you to access all the tools and features necessary for your presentation project. After signing in, you'll be directed to the PowerPoint homepage. This is where you'll find all your existing presentations and also a spot to start fresh with a new one. For today's task, open up an existing presentation or start a new one where you want to create and save your custom table style. Now with your presentation file open, look for the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll see various tabs and you want to click on the Insert tab to reveal additional options. Once in the Insert tab, find and click on the Table option. This is going to allow you to insert a new table into your presentation slide. Next, you'll see several grid options appear. These represent different table sizes you can choose from. Select the size that best fits your needs for this presentation. After clicking on the grid, your new table will appear on the slide and is ready for customization. Now comes the fun part, customizing your table. This step allows you to tailor the table's aesthetics to suit your presentation theme. Consider adjusting font styles, sizes, and colors to ensure consistency across your slides. You can also change the table's border settings or even apply a background fill to make your table visually engaging. Once you've completed the customization to your satisfaction, saving the style is straightforward. While table style saving varies slightly across different PowerPoint versions, typically you would right-click on the table and look for an option that allows you to save the style. This saves it to your design presets, making it easily accessible the next time you need it. In sum, learning how to create and save a custom table style streamlines your presentation process by ensuring that you have go-to styles that perfectly match your slide themes every time you're in a time crunch or need to keep things consistently professional. That's how you effectively save a custom table style in PowerPoint. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful as you work on your next PowerPoint project.